Here's a crunch type demo for the Freeway 10 position pickup selector switch, which has the classic 5 fender choices down this side. And you click it to the other side and you have 5 all new choices. I'll start over on the fender side with just neck pickup. Neck middle parallel. Just middle. Middle bridge parallel. Just bridge. Alright, so this will be like neck humbucker. It's neck middle series. This will be neck bridge parallel. Neck bridge series. All 3 in parallel. And then last is bridge humbucker, which is middle bridge series. And then bonus, if you mod your thing to where you can roll off the tone on the bridge pickup, then you get this.